Hello. We are going to start our exercises for velocity and acceleration. So for this first exercise, all we want to do is get better at trying to figure out what velocity is. So we're going to measure the velocity of a ball rolling on a track. So you can see the ball, and the track is rather long. And of course, if you just put the ball on the track, it's not going to go anywhere. So what we have to do is make a little slope on the track. So this first part of the track, I'm going to put a jack under and raise it up so the ball will move when it's put on it. So a jack is just a little device that you can raise things on. So I've got that end raised up. So if I release it from a certain part, like maybe this marked part right here, and it'll roll down and go on to the end. What I want to do in measuring the velocity in the first exercise is measure a constant velocity. So what I'm going to do is measure the velocity when the ball hits this part of the track. Once it goes down here, it'll hit this part and go on to the end. So I'm going to measure the time it takes for it to go from one end to the other. And I'm going to put a brick on one of the ends so it won't like fly all over the place. Now, if I put the ball like this, and I set it in motion a little bit. See how it stops like that? Now why does it stop? It stops because of friction. So what we want to do is raise this end a little bit. And I'm going to put a little bit of clay underneath there. Grab the ball right now so it won't roll all over the place. So I'm just going to put a little bit of clay underneath here. Squish it a little bit. And then I'm going to see if it now will, like that. Almost. That's actually pretty good. It rolled quite a ways before stopping this time. Remember last time it stopped pretty quickly? I think I may have to put a little bit higher, this end a little bit higher. Let's see this. And let's try this again. Again, we have to do this carefully. All right, so now it's accelerating. That's a little bit too much. I'm going to push it down. Squish the clay a little bit. All right. And is it slowing down? It's slowing down a little bit. Of course, you can see the ball's a little rusty looking. I'm going to try and get a non-rusty ball in the back, but it looks like it's got some beginning. This is a steel ball, some beginnings of some oxidation on it, so that may play a bit of role. So that's actually better than it was before. At least it's not stopping after a few seconds. So the only other thing I want to do is notice how there's like this, when the ball comes on the track right here, it's going to get stuck. So I actually have to lift up this second section so it smoothly and seamlessly flows in this one. Okay, there's a little bit of, I have to aim it just at the right way. Move it up a wee bit. And again, hopefully, oh, that looks pretty good. There, you see how nice and smooth the transition is? So what I'm going to do is to start the exercise and take data, I am going to start timing it when the ball hits this point right here. After that, it's going to be horizontal all the way to the end of the track. So we're going to start doing that in the next video.